So in the previous session, we have discussed about multi-tenant architecture, and we have discussed what exactly the multi-tenant architecture and what kind of benefits that we have with the multi-tenant architecture we have discussed. And we have discussed about the various editions of Salesforce. So how Salesforce is offering their services to the customers in terms of various editions, and what paid editions are available, what free editions are available from Salesforce, we have discussed in the previous session. So as part of paid editions, we have discussed 4 paid editions available from Salesforce. First one, Essential Edition. Second one, Professional Edition. Third one, Enterprise. Fourth one, Unlimited. Okay, these are the 4 paid editions are available. And yesterday we have discussed what kind of features that each edition offers and what kind of rental amount that charging for each and every edition we have discussed in the previous session. And Salesforce is not only offering the paid editions, they are offering 2 free editions also. Salesforce provides 2 free accounts also. These are called as 2 free editions. As part of these 2 free editions, the first one, 30 days trial account. Okay, 30 days trial account. So now which can be accessible for 30 days. Okay, it's a 30 days trial account, which can be accessible only for 30 days. So within the 30 days, whatever the applications that we have created, whatever the features we have implemented, whatever the data that we have stored, that whole data will be lost once the 30 days are over. Because the lifetime of this 30 days account is only 30 days. Once the 30 days are over, automatically the account will be getting locked. From there, we can't access that account again. There is no chance of reactivating that account. Now, so in this case here, as part of this 30 days trial account, it's purely professional edition. It's purely professional edition. You know what is professional edition, what features available in professional edition. Now tell me what features are available in professional edition. Yesterday we have discussed. Professional edition offers what?
It offers complete CRM functionalities, but they won't Force.com platform.
Now, as part of this professional edition offers complete CRM functionalities. That means, in order to automate your customers' data, in order to store your sales data, service data, and the marketing data, whatever the features are required, all the features are available inbuilt as part of the professional edition. But we can't do any customizations through programming. Declarative customizations are available. You know, declarative customizations means what? We can customize the application by using drag and drop features. Programmatic customizations in the sense through programming, by writing some piece of code, by using Apex programming or Visual Force programming, we can do some customizations, but those programmatical customizations are not available in professional edition. Yesterday we have discussed. So as part of this professional edition, it provides purely configuration features. Complete CRM functionalities will be available and we can able to customize those features through declarative features. But no Force.com platform, no Apex programming, no Visual Force programming, no custom business logics, no customized user interfaces. Only configuration features that we can use. Now, in 30 days trial account also same. In 30 days trial account, only configuration features are available. You can store your sales data, service data, marketing data, but we can't create your own custom applications. You can't develop your own business logics. You can't design your own customized user interfaces because in 30 days trial account, we don't have any Force.com platform, and that too, it is purely offering the CRM functionalities for 30 days access. Not more than that. Once the 30 days are over, account will be getting locked automatically by default. Clear? Now, the second one, free developer edition or lifetime account. Okay, free developer edition or lifetime account. Now, this is also called as simply developer edition or free developer edition, or this is also called as lifetime account or permanent account. That means what? This free developer edition can be accessible lifetime also. Not only for 30 days of time, lifetime we can able to access this free developer edition without paying any amount, because this is also one of the free edition offered by Salesforce. Okay, now, so this edition can be accessible for the lifelong also. Now, here you can raise a question, sir, as part of this free developer edition, what kind of features are available? Free developer edition offers almost equivalent features like as your unlimited edition. Free developer edition offers almost equivalent features like as unlimited edition. In unlimited edition, whatever the features are available, similar kind of features are available as part of free developer edition also, with a different bandwidth. Okay, with a different bandwidth. I will tell you what is bandwidth over here. Now, here you can raise a question, sir. If almost same features are available inside the free developer edition, then why should we go for unlimited edition? Why do we need to pay $300 per month per user license? Now, here I told you here, now both the editions will be having almost equivalent features but with a different bandwidth. Now tell me here, as part of this unlimited edition, how many custom applications we can create here? Unlimited. In free developer edition, we can create only 10 custom applications, not more than that. That means creating the application feature is available in both the places. In the unlimited edition, also same feature is available. Here also same features. But in unlimited edition, they will be getting some more weight. But here I'm getting very less bandwidth here. Because in unlimited edition, they're paying some amount. So Salesforce is giving the facility to create unlimited number of applications. In free developer edition, we can create only 10 custom applications. Now tell me, for unlimited edition, how much storage space is available here? 10 GB for what? Data storage. What is the file storage? 10 GB. Totally 20 GB of space. Total 20 GB of space here. 10 GB data storage, 10 GB file storage. But as part of this free developer edition, what is the data storage here? Now let me explain. Here, data storage will be 5 MB. File storage is 20 MB here. Data storage is 5 MB, file storage is 20 MB. That means storing the data will be available. But here we are having some more storage spaces available. Here we are having less storage spaces available here. Okay, now by using this unlimited edition, we can send the email notifications to the customers. How many? 20 lakhs email notifications we can send within one day. That means per day, in 24 hours of time frame, we can send 20 lakhs email notification to the users by using unlimited edition. But by using free developer edition, we can send maximum of 150 emails per day, not more than that. That means email feature is available in both the places also, but they can send more emails. Here I can send less emails here. That's what here this is called as bandwidth features available here. Okay, now like for example, come to a small scenario. Assume that I'm using the internet access here. From a service provider called as Act FiberNet. I'm using the internet access. He is also using the internet access here. We both are accessing the internet from the same service provider, Act FiberNet. I'm having 15 Mbps plan, 15 Mbps plan. He is having 100 Mbps plan. Now, he is paying 1200 rupees per month. I'm paying 600 rupees per month here. Now tell me, he is able to access the internet here. I'm also able to access the internet or not? Yes, we both are able to access the internet here, but he can able to access faster speed. I will be getting less speed because my internet speed is 15 Mbps. His internet access is 100 Mbps over here. Now, in this case, what happened? So now both are customers, both are able to access the internet, but my internet access speed is less, his internet speed is more. And that too, I can able to access up to 100 GB of data per month. He is able to access 3000 GB of data per month over here. Because he's paying more, I'm paying less. This is the difference here. This is called as bandwidth features. Okay. Now, here also the features wise both are same. Whatever the features that we are doing here by using unlimited edition, same functionalities we can do by using free developer edition also, but the bandwidth is different. By using this unlimited edition, we can create custom application. In free developer edition also, we can create custom applications. By using this unlimited edition, okay, we can create custom objects. Here, how many we can create? Here we can create 2000 custom objects. In free developer edition, we can create 400 custom objects. Okay. Now, so features wise the bandwidth will be different, but both the features will be available in both the editions as well. Okay. Now, that's what I told you. Free developer edition offers the same equivalent features like as your unlimited edition. So by using this free developer edition, we can create our own custom applications also. Banking applications, finance applications, insurance application, pharmaceutical, manufacturing, consulting, any kind of application, whatever you want, we can build by using this free developer edition as well here. And that too, we are having the Force.com platform facility. In free developer edition, we are having Force.com platform is available. Through this Force.com platform, we can use the Apex programming and the Visual Force programming. With the help of these programming languages, we can build our own custom business logic. We can design our own custom user interfaces. We can integrate the application with the third-party systems. We can develop some app exchange products. Everything we can do as it is same like as unlimited edition. But bandwidth will be different. Unlimited edition is paid one and the free developer edition is free one here. Clear? Understood the concept now? Now. So now tell me in this case here. For example, assume that today Salesforce is giving a new release, like as Spring 23. Whenever Salesforce is giving the new release, this new release features will be applicable only to the unlimited edition of people, or for me also, for both. Okay, not only for the paid customers, but the free customers also Salesforce provides new release features. That already told you. In the yesterday's session in multi-tenant architecture, we have discussed only one platform at a time. Whenever Salesforce is giving the new release features, it may be winter, it may be spring, it may be summer, any release also. New release features will be applicable to all the customers, irrespective of the customer type. He may be paid customer, he may be free customer. He may be using either unlimited edition or free developer edition also. Both the people will be able to get the new release features. So that here, features wise same, but the bandwidth will be different from edition to edition over here. In terms of data storage, in terms of applications, in terms of objects, in terms of fields, in terms of emails, in terms of features, it will be having some bandwidth differences are available here. But the features wise, both are equals, nothing different here. Clear? Now. So now this free developer edition can be accessible lifetime also. Till whatever the time that you want, you can access on free of cost. For every 4 months, Salesforce is going to be upgrading that account automatically with the latest release features by default here. Whenever Salesforce is giving the new release features, automatically your account will be getting upgraded with the new release features by default here. Okay? Understood the concept now? Next. Now here in this case, you can raise a question. Sir, do we have any chance that Salesforce will deactivate my account? Yes, there is a chance. Now, so now tell me, for example, come to a small general scenario. Assume that I have a bank account. Okay, I have a bank account. Since the last 6 months, I'm not performing any bank transactions. I'm not using that bank account since the last 6 months. I'm not maintaining any minimum balance also in that account. Then what the bank people will do? They will deactivate the account over here. Okay, they will deactivate. When, if you're not using that account since the last 6 months, automatically they will deactivate your account. Like the similar way here also, if you are not using your free developer account since the last 365 days, that means 1 year. Okay, 1 year. Since last 1 year, if you are not using this Salesforce account, if you did not log into your Salesforce account since the last 365 days, automatically Salesforce will deactivate your account by default by giving some prior notifications. Okay, by giving some prior notification, Salesforce will deactivate your account. So before deactivation of 2 months, okay, 2 months before the deactivation, Salesforce will be keep on sending some email notifications to you. Dear customer, you have a Salesforce account. This is the ID of your Salesforce organization. But we have observed that since the last 300 days, you are not using our Salesforce account. So as part of our company policy, if any of the customer is not using the Salesforce account since the last 365 days, we need to deactivate that account here. Now, so we are going to be deactivating your account on so and so date. If you want to continue to use that account, please log in into our Salesforce account and you can continue to use it. If you don't want to continue to use, just you can leave it over here. Okay, on so and so date, we'll deactivate the account here. Once the account has been deactivated, in this account, whatever the data, whatever the features, whatever the applications, whatever the records you have created, whole thing will be lost. Salesforce will be erasing that memory. Whatever the memory has been reserved for your account inside the server, memory will be getting erased. That memory will be allocating to some different Salesforce account automatically. Clear? Understood the concept now? Now, if you're not using this account since the last 300 days, you will be getting email notifications automatically by Salesforce here regarding deactivation. Now, sometimes in the entry point of view, they will raise a question. Can we deactivate my account by my own? Do we have any chance? Because I don't want to continue to use this. I want to make it deactivated. Do we have any chance? Yes, there is a possibility that we can deactivate our account by our own also. That facility is available. How to do that? I will show you practically. Where exactly that option is available, I will show you that option also. Okay, clear? Now, let's see. Then how can we create our own free developer account? Now,